Uncle Drew's Recession Fighter Food. What I call a Recession Fighter meal. Watch what we're gonna make here tonight for under $15. Feed the entire family. You're gonna have flavor. You're gonna feel very satisfied. Here's the breakdown of our costs. I'm assuming everybody in their kitchen is going to have olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, about a third of one onion, some garlic, 1 can of tomato paste, about 50 cents, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, no salt added, about $2.50. 1 bag of orzo is only a couple of bucks. We're gonna use about 1 cup, call that 50 cents. About 1.5 pounds here of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Those are about $9. I'm sure if you shop around, you can find them on sale even cheaper. So what do we got here, Rhett? Assume you got those, you got 50 cents, $2.50, $3.50, and $9. We're in for about $12.50 here. Such an easy recipe. Let's get to work. Boom. Let's go, dog. Let's cook. I feel like we should be going live. We're just trimming up our chicken here, cutting it in bigger than bite-sized pieces. Just a pinch of salt, dash of oregano, some Italian seasoning. Give that a little toss. Leave it sit for a couple of minutes while we cook up our onions and garlic. Excellent, there we go, good. And add in our chicken. Lightly brown this on both sides. It's gonna complete the cooking process once we add in our tomatoes and combine the sauce and the orzo to complete our dish. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll start turning our chicken. Next up, our crushed tomatoes. About 1/2 can of water right from that in our tomato paste. Give that a good stir. And we can always add in more water if need be. Most crucial part is the seasoning now, so we're gonna add pepper. This is always to taste, but I like my orzo and my chicken to have flavor and not be bland. Salt is the only one to be careful of, so I'm gonna use a pinch, not a punch. Next up is oregano. I wanna cover the top here in oregano. It's about 1.5 tablespoons. Italian seasoning. We're all set, we can give that a good stir. Now we're gonna let this simmer to absorb all of our flavors before we add in our orzo. This is an important part. You gotta test the sauce before you add your orzo. A little bit more oregano. Add the orzo. And let's stir it up. Gotta stir it so the sauce doesn't stick. Every couple of minutes, give that a stir. This is gonna take about 20 minutes here. Nice and low heat. I'm stirring it! That smells so good. 15 meals for 15 bucks. This is incredible. It's gonna be so hot, but I'm doing it for the people. Uncle Drew's Recession Fighter. Look at that, nice piece of chicken. It's still steaming. Flavor's incredible. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Boom! Check this out. Look how much there is. It's so hot. It's so good. One thing I do know, you never let good sauce go to waste off the pot. So you always have to get the rest of it. That's how I say it. This smells delicious. This is what I call my Recession Fighter food. Chicken, orzo, tomato sauce. Just because you're eating on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise flavor. Give this easy recipe a try. If you like flavor and spice, you're gonna love this one. Chicken orzo recipe is something my dad used to make when we were younger. We loved it. He always flavored it with pepper, and we had a little extra spice. So of course, Dad, I gave it a little extra kick of pepper just for you. You're gonna try this in a few days. It smells fantastic, it really does. Oh, okay, let's get into this. I've got chicken, orzo. Who doesn't love carbs and sauce? Look. Oh yeah. I'd say this is about 15 meals for under 15 bucks. Oh, I forgot the cheese. I almost screwed the whole damn thing up forgetting the cheese. That's better. Oh yeah.